how to deal with the arachnids carefully. Though meerkats, like mongooses, are immune to venom, little ones can still get injured by the stingers. Also, certain deadly species of scorpion, like a Cape scorpion or granulated scorpion, can inflict enough damage to a meerkat to cause death. So, the adults provide little pups with training, which happens in stages. At first, pups are simply given dead scorpions. Later on, they get ones with the stingers broken off. Eventually, the pups will be handed a disabled scorpion, stinger and all. Finally, as they approach the age at which they're able to go out on their own, an adult may toss a young meerkat a live scorpion. It's basically sink or swim at that point. The pups are taught to move in quickly when they spy a scorpion. The scorpion may be aware that a meerkat is close by, but they seize the arachnid so fast that it has no time to respond or defend itself. The meerkat will first bite off the scorpion's stinger and discard it, so it can't get injected with venom. Then, the meerkat will brush off any remaining traces of venom from the exoskeleton in the sand before eating it. Like any good teacher, the adult meerkats also monitor the pup after they provide it with the food. If the pup is reluctant to handle the prey, the older meerkat will nudge the prey towards them to encourage them. Additionally, if the prey wanders off, the adult retrieves it and returns it to the pup, sometimes further disabling it before returning it to the